May Mendoza update and IG story ni May. Sabi niya dito, when people ask what my beauty secret, what is those hit my bag. Today we celebrate you and Miss Dr. Vicky Bello, happiest birthday. Yan no, happy birthday, pabati ni May, si Dr. Vicky Bello. At post ng bench, ang ganda pa nga ng model ng bench oh. So, ang bango niya no, Dove of Love, perfume ni May. Sabi, wrap yourself in fragrance that whisper forever, love those way. Never showed you, grab a Dove of Love by May Mendoza, yun no. So ito pa, ang dami mga perfume collection ni May sa bench. Sabi, catch feeling not just compliments, every price from May, signature fragrance line hits like a love song on repeat, bottle up, best is time to blow, you know. Don't forget to subscribe, click the notification bell for more updates. This is Richard the Action Vlog. Stay tuned for more videos. See ya.